What's going on, guys? It's your boy James here, back at it again at Beastly Trader. Listen, if you're trading and you're losing in these markets, don't worry, because I'm about to help you get it together by showing you exactly what I do and how I do it. Should make you, if not increase your strategy's accuracy, but should make you a better trader. So let's go ahead and time in. Let's go into Euro USD, where I got everything drawn up. Let me take you to the monthly and show you exactly why I have what levels I have, and let me show you how my strategy coexists with each other. Alright, so if we come out here, we can zoom out, we come back in, let it do its thing. Yup, alright. So, back in 2023, price came for all these levels before coming back to retest them. The green line is the 5,000, the yellow line is the 68, and the red line is the 8,800, with the purple line being the 61.8 level. Or, I'm sorry, 1061. So, with drawing these levels out, they help you understand where price has come from, to help you give a better understanding to where price can go. I'm also teaching you the house strategy, so let me drop down to a lower time frame so you can pay attention there. Alright, these levels, they're drawn the way they're drawn because price has consistently bounced from them. Now, house strategy goes like this, right? Green line is the basement, purple line is on top of the house, red line is the attic, and the yellow line is the living room. If you see just here, since December 30th, price came and tested inside the basement before going back up to try the attic. It also stalled a bit inside of the attic, as if it didn't really want to know what it was doing, but it broke through, and then it came back through the attic to retest the living room. You could have entered and secured your trades, but the fact that you didn't is what's going to blow accounts, and we are not here to blow accounts. So like I said, price came down, tested the 5,000 level before continuing on the upside. Here you see that it also rejected the roof of the building, came back down and through the attic, didn't even break in past the living room to go towards the basement, bounced off the living room, came back up, bounced off the attic, went back over the roof, came back inside. So right now, if you look at where we are, what we're doing, price it failed to stay below in the basement. It looks like you want to come test the living room, and this is where we will secure our trades. Alright, so let's drop down to a lower time frame to figure out exactly what's going on. And you can see we just did exactly that. Bounce, boom, bounce, but didn't hold and kept going. Alright, with my current strategy, you would have looked at it like this. Now, before we get into my strategy, I want to point out a couple things. If price is currently under the 200 moving average, then you're looking to hold all selling positions. But if price is above the 200 moving average, then you're looking to buy and hold all positions. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead on here. Let me explain something to you. If price stays under this 50 line for a very long time, that means it's in a downtrend. If price decides to go above it and stay above it, that means it's a buy trend. But it's vice versa, y'all. It's vice versa. I need y'all to understand that my strategy comes from trading tops and bottoms. This red line here is for a weight line. This green line here means a weight line as well. But this white line here says sell, and this one here says buy. You want to buy from the extremes, so you know price can't go no lower than the extremes. And with that being said, this should be able to help you increase your accuracy of your strategy. Now, I will admit that my strategy is more scalper based than day trading and swing trading. So if you're a day trader and a swing trader, feel free to comment down in the section below, comment section, and let me know what I may best improve on my own accordance to help getting myself to become more of a day trader trader, as well as a swing trader. All right, so with that being said, we just got to take price for what it is and for what it's doing. We can't sit here and forecast what happened may happen again. Let's plan off of that and prepare, because if we prepare, then we don't take any losses. But if we can prepare, then we want to make sure that these levels are at a very comfortable level. You don't want nothing getting stopped out left and right. You also don't want price taking you out of your trade or hitting too many profits and being greedy and not taking your profits. So like I said, I'm on the 4 hour on Euro USD. With that being said, I want y'all to understand that it's only but so many moves you can do. Yeah, I trade my strategy and I scalp, and I'll take you down to the hourly, because that is where I do a lot of my scalping positions at. You can see that price was at here at the weight line. I would have waited for that cross. If you look above, price had exited the Bollinger Band and it had re-entered the Bollinger Band. Right? That let me know as a second confirmation that we may be good to go. Alright, cool. You would have held all the way until it came to the 50 line. Whenever price is up or below, it has to go and retest that 50 line. That 50 line is like a heartbeat for the price. It tells the market exactly what it's doing, and it shows the traders of how it can be beneficial to use that as a moving average or a level of support versus just ignoring it. You got a lot of people that just ignore these things. So, pardon me, let me get a drink some of this water. Now, I do want to apologize that if I'm rushing through this video and you are taking some time to actually get it. But do know that you can always comment in the comment section. You can also join my Discord. The link will be in the description. And then we can talk about this video further in detail to help get you to get a better understanding. All right? Cool. So, price came up here, it tested this moving average, gave us a signal, but if you would have noticed down here, it already gave us a signal in the cross. Cross was this candle, so you could have either crossed at the top, or you could have got in when it broke this level, which wasn't bad at all. And then you would have held because price is under its 200 moving day average. So with that being said, you would have had no reason to be looking for buy trades anyway. Yeah, there are some beneficial and profitable buy trades because that's because market and price gave it to us, not because the institutions and the news forced price in our direction. No. You have to be able to understand the fundamentals as well as draw up your technicals, and then before you even think about a strategy, that's what you got to deal with. So there's nothing wrong with you dealing with scalping positions and taking change off the table, as well as there's nothing wrong shooting for a risk to reward of like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, even though price went to like a 1 to 7. You definitely don't want to just ignore everything. You want to try to come up with a strategy and see how you can combine everything inside the strategy to make it work better for you, right? So like I said, we got a bunch of trades here. Let's drop down to the 5 minute, because like I said, I'm trying to show you the accuracy of my strategy as well as not be afraid to do anything in these markets, because I have to trust my strategy. I call NFP and the swing behind it and got out for the day. I might be done for the week, because who the heck told anybody that you got to be risking so much and getting all these profits and whatnot. No. Hit your goals and get out. You hit your goal, kudos to you. If you didn't hit your goal and you took a trade, don't be afraid to recover that loss. Jump back in these markets. You are to be fearless in these markets, and you are to show these markets that you ain't no punk. So I need you to jump in these markets with all gears loaded, as well as I need you to understand that not every position will grant you the results that you are seeking, and you just got to be comfortable with taking what you can. Me, I only take 1-to-1s. I don't care if I got to get back in and take another 1-to-1. I'm not going to sit there and hold no 1 to 19, bro. I'm not. As well as you got to trust your strategy, and you got to be able to be comfortable in your strategy. Not having both definitely makes these markets more emotional. So like I said, we got to cross here on the 5 minute. You would have entered here, this type of here, and you would have called all of that. Boom, we got to cross here. It said wait for a cross. We would have waited. You got in about here, and you would have shot all the way up, right? You would have secured your trade at this level, preferably in profit, before getting told that you need to do your thing and come back in. Boom. Look. Fuck across. Look at that. That's a cross. You would have entered. Boom. Price came from the bottom to the top. Now that price was at the top, it has two things to do. Consolidate. You would have definitely got your life together, and like I said, cross, down, up, cross, down, up, boom. Not very much momentum, but it's some. Let's drop down to the 1 minute so you can see what that looked like. Look, guarantee you cross happened here, boom, and you would have held. Price looks like it wants to be tested here, but we got to cross here at this candle, and you could have jumped in. You could have held until you got one of these candles, or if price would have told you that was crossing clearly, and then then you would have got down, got the sell, and then boom, buy signal in this area between these two candles, and you would have been up, man. You would have been up. So like I said, if you're watching this video and you got any questions, make sure you comment down in the comment section below, or check out my Discord inside of the description box. There will be a link, as well as check this noti bell so you don't miss any notifications, because if I drop this video and only 4 people watch it, but there are 596 subscribers on my channel, then there is only 4 people grasping this information that can push themselves into better top tier goals. So, you know, let's just try to look at everything for what it is and take it for what it ain't, you know. So like I said, I come in these markets and I make these markets giving back my money and blood. I did take some L's Monday and Tuesday on my prop firm account, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday were all blue days. I managed to recover my account and go on profit about $140 on the 5K account. Also, if you're interested in the 5K account, I'll be sure to try to drop those links in the description. If I don't drop them in the description, my Discord link will be there, and then you can just check announcements out to see all that type of stuff. If you're a new trader, make sure you check the description box out and get me and join my Discord, because I do give away all of my courses that were for purchase up. And if you can get one of those courses, then you'll definitely be further than a lot of people who don't take the courses. So with that being said, I want y'all to understand something, right? We're not here to force these markets to give us money. We're here to earn our money from these markets, but in order to do so, you must be able to understand the fundamentals and the technicals behind it. Without the two, nothing works alone. You can't just use price action. Price action don't work on the lower time frames, so you have to come to higher time frames. You have to set your levels at respected zones, not at zones that can possibly be hit over and over and over and over again. Remember, I got these zones from the higher time frame, and if I got them from the higher time frame, they're more accurate than the zone on the lower time frame. All right, my house strategy is awesome. You see it. Price didn't want to break below the basement, caught it. Price didn't want to break below the basement, caught it. And then if you look at the selling positions, boom, 1 sell, 2 sell, 3 sell. Very good sells you could have held and been good to go. So, you know, excuse this chart for looking so crazy, but if we drop down, look at this. Cross. You out of all this noise, but you would have got out here. It shot up, don't worry about it. Came back, crossed, stayed under till about here. You would have got in, you would have held all the way to the top, preferably around the 50. You would have secured it, got out, shot up a little bit more before giving us another good cross at this candle here, and then you would have held. All right, so you got another push for a buy. Let me see, we got the initial signal about here, so we would have got that, but let's maybe say we would have waited for the sell, and then you would have entered all the way on the upside. So my analysis for Euro USD is that price is going to try to come back down and test the 50 line on the RSL before deciding if it wants to go up or continue down. So like I said, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Check the noti bell so you don't miss no more. And again, if you have any questions, make sure you comment down in the comment section below. And if you're not part of that Discord, listen, that link will be in the description as well. So I hope to see everybody on the other side. You guys stay blessed. Have a blessed day, and I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching.